Ready for something super important. Today, we're diving into a topic that really matters, especially for those of us over 60. We all hope it never happens, but being prepared can truly make a difference. Let's chat about how to handle a heart attack when you're alone. Knowing these steps could save your life or someone you care about. First, let's quickly understand what a heart attack is. It happens when the blood flow to a part of your heart muscle gets blocked. Without oxygen-rich blood, that part of the heart starts to die. The key to survival is getting the blood flow restored as quickly as possible. Time is muscle, as cardiologists say. Every minute counts. So, what are the signs? It's not always the dramatic chest-clutching scene we see in movies. Symptoms can be subtle, especially in women. The most common sign is chest discomfort. This can feel like pressure, squeezing, fullness, or pain in the center of your chest that lasts for more than a few minutes, or it might go away and come back. But there are other signs you must be aware of. You might feel pain or discomfort in one or both arms, your back, neck, jaw, or even your stomach. You could experience shortness of breath with or without chest discomfort. Other possible signs include breaking out in a cold sweat, nausea, or lightheadedness for women. These less common symptoms, like shortness of breath, nausea, and back or jaw pain, are often more prominent. Don't dismiss these feelings. If something feels off, pay attention. Now, let's get into the 7 life-saving tips. Imagine this: you're home alone, and you start feeling some of these symptoms. Panic is a natural reaction, but it's the enemy here. Panic raises your heart rate and blood pressure, putting even more strain on your heart. Your first job is to stay as calm as possible. Take slow, deep breaths. Sit down and tell yourself, I know what to do. This mental preparation is your first step toward survival. Tip number 1, and this is the most critical: call for emergency help immediately. In the US and Canada, that's 911. In the UK, it's 999. Know your local emergency number. Do not, under any circumstances, try to drive yourself to the hospital. You could lose consciousness and cause a serious accident. Don't call a friend or family member first and wait for them to arrive. Your first call must be to emergency services. When you call, be clear and direct. Say, I think I am having a heart attack. Give them your exact address and tell them you are alone. Stay on the line with the operator. They are trained to keep you calm and can provide instructions until help arrives. Tip number 2. While you're on the phone with the emergency operator, they might advise you to take an aspirin. If you have regular 325 milligram non-coated aspirin on hand and are not allergic to it or have been told by a doctor not to take it. Chew on. Why chew it? Chewing helps it get into your system much faster than swallowing it whole. Aspirin works by thinning the blood, which can help break up the blood clot that's causing the heart attack. This simple action can significantly reduce the damage to your heart. Keep aspirin in an easily accessible place, like your kitchen counter or bedside table, not just in a medicine cabinet where it's hard to reach in an emergency. Tip number 3. Unlock your front door. This is a small but vital step. Once you've called for help, make your way to the front door and unlock it. If possible, lie down near the door. This ensures that when the paramedics arrive, they can get to you without delay. Breaking down a door takes time that you don't have. Lying down puts less strain on your heart than standing or walking around. Find a comfortable position, perhaps with your head and shoulders slightly elevated with a pillow to ease breathing. Tip number 4. Do not try the cough CPR method you might have seen online. This is a dangerous myth. The idea is that coughing vigorously can maintain blood flow to the brain. This is not a recognized medical procedure for a conscious person having a heart attack. In fact, it can be harmful by increasing the pressure in your chest and making things worse. The American Heart Association does not endorse it. Your focus should be on staying calm, calling for help, taking aspirin if advised, and resting until the paramedics arrive. Don't waste precious energy on unproven techniques. Tip number 5. Gather your medical information. If you have a moment while waiting and you feel up to it, Try to gather any important medical documents, a list of your current medications, allergies, and your doctor's contact information. Can be incredibly helpful for the emergency responders. Many people keep a vial of life or a similar kit in their refrigerator with all this information. Emergency services personnel are trained to look there. Preparing this in advance is a fantastic idea for any senior. Just a simple sheet of paper with your key health details can speak for you when you might not be able to. Tip number 6, stay in communication. If you're still on the phone with the emergency dispatcher, keep talking to them. They can monitor your condition and provide reassurance. If you've hung up and a friend or neighbor is nearby, you could give them a quick call to let them know what is happening and that help is on the way. Hearing a friendly voice can help you stay calm. But remember, your first and most important call is always to emergency services. This step is only for after that initial call is made and you are waiting. And finally, tip number 7, prevention is the best medicine. While these tips are for handling an emergency, the best way to survive a heart attack is to not have one in the first place. This means managing your risk factors. Talk to your doctor about your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. If you smoke, quitting is the single best thing you can do for your heart. Eat a balanced, heart-healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Try to get regular physical activity as approved by your doctor, and manage your stress levels through relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or hobbies you enjoy. Regular checkups are non-negotiable, especially after 60. To recap the 7 steps for when you're alone: stay calm, call emergency services immediately, chew an aspirin if appropriate, unlock your front door, do not try cough CPR, have your medical information ready, and stay in communication while you wait. Knowing these steps can empower you and remove some of the fear associated with this kind of emergency. Please share this video with other seniors you know. It's information that we all need to have. Your health is your greatest asset, so let's protect it together. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more essential health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe.